The GreenPan GP5 Nonstick Set is a decent choice for anyone looking for a reliable set of frying pans. You get 2 pans in the piece set, a smaller one and a larger one. The size difference is useful for cooking different amounts of food. The non-stick coating works well, especially for eggs and veggies. Food slides off easily, which makes cleaning much simpler. The hard anodized exterior seems durable. It should resist damage from daily use. The stay-flat surface is a nice feature. It helps the pans heat evenly. This is important for consistent cooking. The pans are also oven-safe, which is a plus. They are induction compatible, too. This makes them versatile for different stovetops. The GreenPan GP5 Nonstick Set claims to be PFAS-free. This is important for people who care about their diet and health. The pans feel heavy and sturdy. The heavy gauge construction is noticeable. They feel like they can handle a lot of cooking. However, even with the scratch-resistant coating, it's still best to use utensils that won't scratch the surface. Metal utensils can cause damage over time. The handle design is comfortable. It stays cool while cooking. The cleaning is easily accomplished with soap and water. I did not see any signs of corrosion after using the pans for a few weeks. It is important to note that I am not in Australia, and thus cannot speak to its availability there. Overall, the GreenPan GP5 Nonstick Set is a good set of everyday frying pans. It performs well for general cooking tasks. It is a good beater in the kitchen. The non-stick coating is effective. The pans heat evenly. The construction seems solid. The fact that it is PFAS-free is a big advantage. It is not like listening to music, in that it won't entertain you, but it will help you cook food. Pros: gold tone handles, black 2-piece set, frying pan set, verified purchase, United States. Media loaded, chip coating. Cons: easily chipped, hard to clean, chip coating, disappointed, problem filtering, received 1 item, chip on pan, coating damage, 1 person found, report issue. Features: GreenPan brand, GP5 series, hard anodized, ceramic nonstick 2-piece set, frying pans. Skillet set, heavy gauge, scratch resistant, stay flat surface. The GreenPan GP5 set includes 2 frying pans with a tough, scratch-resistant surface. They're made with a healthy ceramic coating, so food doesn't stick and they're safe to use. The pans are built thick, heat evenly, and stay flat on the stove. You can use them on any cooktop, even induction, and they can also go in the oven. This set is designed to be durable and easy to use for everyday cooking. The GreenPan GP5 Frying Pan Set, advertised as a healthy, non-stick option with gold tone handles, features a hard anodized exterior and a ceramic coating. However, customer reviews indicate that the coating is prone to chipping and can be difficult to clean. Some buyers also reported receiving damaged items or only 1 pan instead of the advertised 2-piece set, leading to disappointment.